kae Ramogi TV wadhi mbele gi chenro ni mar duol medo miye weche go manyien. Kwadhi mbele en jatend migawo mar arita kwe Kindiki okone komiti mar od bura makao ng'ur mag oganda ni sirkal ne osechulo jok matulo mar yiero gana gabiri oriembe thuchegi e kaunti ma Kisumu, Siaya, Homa Bay, Kisumu, Migori, Kisii kod Nyamira kinda shillings 25,000 gi shillings 50,000 dala kadala mano yudo lal. Kata kamano thoth familia mathoth mawuok Nyanza ne okuwuok oko mar kao pesa ma pesa noduoki ne sirkal. Kindiki no yudo kwe kod jaod bura nyaka James Nyikal mano koneni onge omenda mane sirkal ochiwo ne familia go kakoro dwaro ni mondo chul familia go mapiyo.
Honorable Chair, the unutilized funds which were returned to the government were occasioned by various reasons. Many of the people who had claimed to be IDPs could not prove that they were indeed displacement. Some of them were imposters. There were imposters in the camps. There were also imposters claiming to be integrated in their initial communities with relatives, but there was no proof of displacement.
I think during the process, there are also some irregularities that actually involved officers that were actually handling the matter that may have been responsible even for the inaccuracies that we have seen. But I think when you go back to, you can say, yes, me, I saw all this. I released those guys from mortuaries. The sick ones, I went there, I went to hospitals. Let's open it up. And my insistence on SEME is not just because that's my constituency, but it is the gap wherever it may be in the whole process.